Okay, we're going to continue our examples here. We're looking at problem now 21 in chapter 10. It's going to be the same facts as what we worked in the previous problem on 1020. So if you haven't watched that one yet, please do so. At the end of that one, we had a loss carry forward of $18,520. In 2011, then, YZ generated 7,000 ordinary business income and 18,000 of dividend and interest income. Partnership made no distributions, and at the end of the year, YZ had $21,000 of debt. So we want to determine how much partnership income Zelda will report on her 2011 return, and then also what her basis, adjusted basis is in partnership YZ is going to be at the end of the year. So we're going to kind of do these all together here because they are related. So we start off with our basis at the beginning of the year, which is 0. Okay, we are going to increase that basis. We're not quite to the dividend yet. So our basis increases by 60%, as always. So our partnership's basis remains the same. So 60% of our business income. So our business income was 7,000 times 0.6, so 4,200 is our business income. Our dividends are going to be equal to 60% of the 18,000 of dividends and interest income that we had, so 10,800. Our share of our partnership debt, so that's going to increase our basis, so increased by partnership debt, and that's going to be our 60% of our 21,000 in borrowings, or 12,600. So our basis before our deduction is going to be 27,600. Okay, so that is what we call our basis before deduction. Okay, so our basis is that. Now we can decrease. We're going to have two things then to figure our taxable income. So our percentage of the income for 2011 was 4,200, but we have our loss carry forward that we can deduct of 18,520. So this means, this means that we have 14,320 that will be our 2011 loss that we can put on our taxes is 14,320. Okay, so our basis then after that deduction, so we're going to take that basis and decrease it. Again, so our taxable income 14,320. Our basis after deduction. So I'm going to cheat here, and we're going to change that to after. So it's going to be our ending deduction. We're going to subtract out our 18,520 of the loss carry forward that we used, and our ending basis then is going to be 9,080. So that's going to be our basis after deduction. So whatever the end of 2011 will be our basis. So we started out with a basis of 0 with a loss carry forward 18,520. We had increases of our portion of our business income, our dividends, and our partnership debt increases. Remember, debt increases our partnership basis. So our partnership basis is 27,600. We were able to flow through to our income statement our $4,200 income less our $18,520 loss carry forward, because we were able to deduct the whole thing because we had enough basis to cover it. Remember, we can only go down to 0 basis. So our ending basis after taking that deduction gives us $9,080 for our ending 2011 adjusted tax basis in our partnership.